rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Rants and Raves. I'm Steph Beckett, executive editor of rAVe Pubs. I am your host for today, and joining me for this episode is Sean O'Connell from Uniguest. This is a part of our pre-InfoComm 2026 series, kind of showing you guys a little bit of what you should check out while you're at the show. Sean, welcome.
Thank you, Steph. I appreciate you having me today.
Yeah, of course. For everyone who is watching or listening, why don't you tell them a little bit about who you are and what you do?
Absolutely. I'm the EVP of sales here at Uniguest for the Americas. So I cover the tip of Canada all the way through South America for all things Uniguest.
Very cool. For people who might know a little bit about Uniguest, but not about the full breadth of the company, how would you describe what Uniguest actually does today and how broad the platform has become?
Yeah, broad and deep is is the best way to describe this. I mean, our platform does a multitude of things, but simply said, we start off with digital signage, enterprise TV, interactive television, room signage for meeting rooms and in boardrooms. Menu boards for food and beverage outlets and other applications and use cases, all the way through like engagement apps at the consumer level. So when you think about Uniguest, just think about us as a digital engagement platform that, regardless of the size or scope, we have the ability to stitch it all the way together from big all the way to small, depending on what you want your guest or your consumer experience to be, is the short of what we do across the enterprise.
That makes a lot of sense. And since a lot of organizations now have screens pretty much everywhere, so if you're a hotel, in your guest room, in your lobby, your meeting spaces, pretty much everywhere. So why is there a growing push toward these more unified platforms rather than managing all of these systems separately?
Yeah, great question. I mean, let's first start with the vertical hubs, as we call them. Like our specialized and focus is across a multitude of verticals, which includes hotels, casinos, the healthcare sector, retail, education, senior living, the federal space, and equally important, the corporate environments, right? So that is our vertical landscape. As you think about all the great things that we do digitally, from my previous comment, our vertical hubs are really where we're leaning into those vertical sectors to bring it all together, because not everyone's got different needs, they've got different workflows, they've got different experiences on what they're trying to achieve digitally. And what we're seeing in the market is a very simple convergence of unifying what is already a fragmented framework of all of the technical solutions that we provide. It's very, very fragmented. And what is happening in the market is really twofold. One, everyone's trying to simplify how they're managing all of those endpoints, and our platform gets you there. Two, everyone's doing more with less, so there needs to be a unified way to manage and control all of those different endpoints and all of the different criteria that they have in their uniqueness, all right? And then I think the last thing that I think is super important, with the depth and breadth of what we do globally across all these vertical segments, there's a lot of very similar things that cross over in vertical segments. Like I think about a food and beverage type use case, right? Well, a hotel would have a food and beverage menu system that we can digitally manage and transform. A senior living institute or community would also have a menu board system. We do food and beverage menu board systems inside of the stadium space in the concourse. So again, those are real live examples where a very similar type of use case crosses over and across these verticals. And because the depth and breadth of what we do across these verticals is alive and well, it's easier for us to converge what ultimately all of these operators are looking to do across each of these vertical segments.
You kind of started to answer this question, but in working across all of those different markets, are you seeing customer expectations around digital engagement start to look more similar across hospitality and casinos and healthcare and education and so forth?
It is, and some of what we do is like very, very technical. Like on the IPTV, enterprise APTV side, and interactive TV side, very, very technical. But everyone's looking for a simple way to be able to do something that's a little bit more complex like that, while they're doing something a little bit more simple inside of the, say, a simple signage environment. And that's where our team, our sellers, our operators on the Uniguest side of things will simplify it for them just to make it easier. It is pretty technical in most cases, but our job is to make that very, very simple for the buyer and the consumer to be able to acquire what we do.
Makes a lot of sense. And since you guys are going to be at InfoComm 2026, for someone who is walking across the show floor, what is one reason you would give them why they should stop at Uniguest and check you guys out?
Love this question. So first and foremost, absolutely positively come see us in booth 5033. We're in the central hall. But what we're going to do is we're going to be showcasing each of our vertical segments. We're going to be showcasing each of the use cases, whether it's enterprise TV, interactive TV, digital signage. We're going to show how that use case, that technology applies to the use case in each of the vertical segments, that is our sweet spot. And we're going to be showing to you why a single unified platform on Uniguest, controlling every screen and every endpoint, is of value to you as either a reseller or an end customer or an alliance partner. Come see us at booth 5033 at InfoComm.
Awesome. Sean, thank you so much. Where can people connect with you online, and where can they find out more about Uniguest?
Absolutely. Go to uniguest.com, navigate around, learn a little bit more about our vertical hubs, and don't be shy to click on book a demo and engage with us. And our marketing team and our sales team will be more than happy to engage with you prior to InfoComm, at InfoComm, after InfoComm. Come check us out.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for being on this episode of Rants and Raves.
Thank you, Steph. Really appreciate having you today. Thank you.
Of course, and for everyone watching and listening, if you want to check out our pre-InfoComm coverage all in one place, please go to ravepubs.com/InfoComm. We have collected everything there. Otherwise, we will see you guys in Las Vegas. Again, I'm Steph Beckett, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Rave Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay.